farm tractors. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do in this video, Odin's, we're gonna do the ground. Ready? Does the ground have to be perfectly straight? No, because ground isn't perfectly straight. So just go across, something like that. Next, we're gonna draw the tires. And you can see the front one here and the back one here. It has 4 tires, we can only see 2 of them. So we've decided to make this a little bit easier, we're gonna use a cap for the front tire. We just trace around that the best that you can. And if you guys can find some things around the house.
That's perfect.
Yeah, find something. Remember to hold your pen like on a slight angle, okay? If you guys can find some things around the house that are circular and would make good tires, then you can use those. You could of course draw freehand as well, but it makes it a little easier sometimes when you have a circle to trace. Just do the best you can, bud. That's okay. They're gonna have tread on it anyways, so. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! We'll fix that all up. It'll be just fine, okay?
Now what?
Now give me the rear circle that we found.
Wow.
So this is a lid that we found, and we're gonna put the rear tire right here. And that's gonna look like this.
Same thing we
See how Dad always has an angle on his hand?
Yeah.
You wanna do the same thing, okay?
Okay.
Good. Show the people what you have. Good job. All right, we're gonna put tread on these tires, so the fact that they're not perfect doesn't really matter, right? All right, next, inside of these tires, and we're gonna do this part freehand because we have a guide, okay?
Oh.
We have a guide, so we're gonna make a circle inside of this circle, right? And we just do the best we can, trying to stay the same distance from the edge. Good job. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the back tire.
But an even bigger one.
Even bigger, yeah. And these I'm going too fast, but we can adjust these because guess what? What color does the tire get colored? What color is the most of the tire colored in? Black. Perfect. Now we're gonna put the smallest circle right on the inside of both tires. Awesome. Okay, next we're gonna do the tread on the tires.
That means what?
Yeah, we're gonna make it nice and simple. We're just gonna use rectangles, okay? So we're gonna come up, over, and down. And we'll make them big because farm tractors have big treads. Okay, then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna do another one. We're gonna use like a little bit of a pattern. So we're gonna go, we can't put one on bottom, so we go top and bottom, but the bottom one's dug into the dirt. Odin's going ahead with his, and you can do that too, but if you wanna follow the pattern like me, then I just follow along here. So then we did right side, left side. And now I'm gonna split the top and the left, split the top and the right, and continue that pattern all the way around. And it's a farm tractor, so that's enough treads. That's all you need. And then on the front, I'm gonna do the same thing. So now we have our tires. Oh, cool! Now you're doing the pattern, aren't you?
Yeah, I want it.
Good job, man. All right, we'll color those tires in later, but right now we're going to draw the first part of the tractor. And from the middle of this wheel to the middle, to straight across till it hits this wheel, we're gonna draw a straight line, just like that. Okay, good. Next, we're gonna draw the fender. So it's gonna be a big curve that's gonna stop right at the top, a little bit beyond halfway at the top. That's really good. Next, we're gonna do another line that mimics this one. That means it's gonna stay the same distance away. And then it's gonna come down like that. Good job, Odin. So next we're gonna do a line that goes across, comes out of that fender and goes straight across and runs into the tire. Good job, Odin. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to do a front fender. So it's gonna be similar to the back, where it's just gonna curve right over the tread, and it's gonna stop right there. Good, and then we're gonna do the same thing we did over here. We're gonna mimic the shape, and then connect like that. Can you see our tractors coming along? Oh, they're so cool right now. Okay, next, out of the front of the rig, we're gonna show the nose of the tractor. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna come up like this, and it's gonna go across like that. Next, we are going to draw a little diagonal line and then a straight line. It's gonna connect over here. So it's gonna kind of complete our body. Good. Next, we need a diagonal line that goes up like this. And another diagonal line that comes out, it comes right out of where this angle changes right here, and it mimics the shape of the other one. It's right up. Good. Now, coming out of the back of the tractor, coming out of this fender here, we're gonna show a straight piece up and a straight piece up until they're the same height as that over there. Now, we're gonna put a roof on. It's gonna be a straight line across. And then watch what we do here. And we're gonna curve it a little bit and go all the way back and then curve it down. So it's a little roof. Nice. You ready? We're gonna keep going. We're gonna come right out of this, right where this fender is. We're gonna make the back of the tractor just curve down right into the tire. Good job. Okay, next, we are going to do some detail work. We're going to put on a headlight, which looks like this. This is a backwards L. Good. And then we're gonna make some vent lines. So 1,
That the
2,
exhaust can
3.
the signs.
That's all. That's really good. Now we're gonna make an exhaust pipe. So it's gonna be a rectangle, skinny and long, comes right out of the front, and it's got a little bit of a lid on it. That's the exhaust is blowing up, so the lid gets blown up. Yeah, I think we'll do a little cloud of smoke, right? So it's just gonna look like that, and you can put some lines in it, represent the smoke. Oh, I like how you did yours. So Odin did his smoke a little different than mine, but I really like that. It's very good. All right, we're almost done with the drawing part. Okay, next we're gonna draw a line that comes straight down. We're gonna put a little door handle right here. It's just a curved piece. You could also just do a straight rectangle if you wanted. Nice job. Now, what we need to finish off, we do a steering wheel, but we also have to finish the cab off by doing a straight and a straight. And now we can put the steering wheel in. So that's gonna look like this. We're gonna have a diagonal line and a diagonal line, like that. And then on the end of the diagonal lines, we're gonna draw an oval. You can draw an oval, Odin, on the end of that. Yes. Good job. Put a dot in the middle of that oval. And then 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now we have a steering wheel.
Do we add a person?
You want to add a guy?
Yeah.
All right, we'll add a guy. So my guy is going to be just a circular head. He's going to be wearing a ball cap. So I'm going to put a line that goes across like that and 2 lines down like that. He's wearing a baseball cap.
Dang
Did you want to do a baseball cap? You can still do it. You just draw a line like that. But you have to just don't press down real hard. There you go. It's good. Oh, he's got a cowboy hat on. I see what you're doing there. So we'll color that in later, right? That's cool. All right, next I'm gonna put an eyeball here, a smile here, an ear here, a shoulder, like this. My guy's real simple. Okay. Oh, you're already done. And then I'm gonna draw an arm coming from here up to the steering wheel and his hand grabbing a hilt. Okay? So coming out of the back, yours would come out like right about here. And it's gonna have to come out a little beyond that thing, the tread of the tire. You come out with a piece, like, oh, it kind of looks like a bumper, And then on top of it, you're gonna put a hitch, like a ball. Just like that. We'll color that in after. Nice trailer hitch. I like it. All right, so now it will be time to color. We'll do a fast forward drawing today. One, two, three. Tractors!
Tractors.
Odin and I had a fun time today doing tractors. These things came out pretty cool. Did you have a fun time, buddy?
Yeah.
Awesome. So if you want to draw a tractor, hopefully you already did. But if you still want to draw it and you didn't, well, hit the rewind button. Until we see you next time. Keep drawing. Stay awesome. Bye. Gave you a headbutt by accident. What are you eating?